Hello, my name is Rosalia Fibulu. I'm student from Poltekkes Kemenkes Kupang. I'm from grade 2 regular A. Here I will explain material about the concept of a disorder family and various reproduction disorders. Definition of family planning. Family planning is an effort to regulate the birth of children. The ideal distance and age to give birth. Regulate pregnancy through promotion, protection, and assistance in accordance with reproductive right to create a good family. The family planning program is a step or a bonus activity compiled by family planning organization and is a government program to equip purpose people based on health regulation and legislation. Family planning goals. Number 1. Regulation desires prognosis. Number 2. Maintaining health and reduce maternal, infant, and child mortality. Number 3. Imperfections and quality information, education, counseling, and service on family planning and reduction. Number 4. Health increase participation on men in family practice planning. And number 4. Promoting breastfeeding as an effort to space the pregnancy. Family planning benefits. Number 2. Preventing pregnancy-related health. Number 2. Recording EMR. Number 3. Help prevent human immunodeficiency virus and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Number 4. Empowering communication and improving education. Number 4. Reduction teen pregnancy. Number 6. Slowing population growth. Target family planning program. According to Handayani, the family planning program targets are divided into two, namely directed target and indirect targets. The direct target is EVA, which aims to reduce the birth rate by means of sustainable use. EVA is a married club agent between Lutons and 49 years. Direct targets are family planning implementers and managers with the aim of reducing live births through an integrated population approach policy in order to achieve good and prosperous families. Disorders of the human reproductive system. Disorders of family reproductive organs can be in the form of vaginal discharge, menstrual disorders, uterine cancer, cysts, polyps, and others. One of the types of disorders that are more common in the community in vaginal discharge. General understanding of vaginal discharge is a female genital disease vaginum, where there is a yellowish white or grayish white discharge at water or thick smell bed and can use itching. Below is a brief explanation of each of the triggering factors or vaginal discharge. Mushroom, generally caused by the fungus Candida albicans, white causes is around the vulva vagina. Bacteria, usually caused by Gardnerella bacteria, and the discharge is called bacterial vaginismus with the characteristics of water discharge, white a grayish white color with a white smell. Vaginal discharge caused by a virus is usually congenital from HIV/AIDS, condylom, herpes, and others. They can trigger the appearance of uterine cancer. Parasite. Lecurhoe due to parasite in caused by the parasite Trichomonas vaginal. White is transmitted from sexual contact at sex. White a thick yellow grey liquid with unusual odor and foam. Menstrual disorders. Menstrual disorders consist of primary amenorrhea and secondary amenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea is the absence of menstruation until the age of 12 years, without secondary sexual development. Next, genital cancer. Genital cancer in women can occur in the vagina, cervix, and ovaries. Vaginal cancer has no known cause, possible due to irritation caused by a virus. Endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition in which endometrial tissue is found outside the uterus, which can grow around the ovaries, oviductus, or pathways outside the uterus. Symptoms include abdominal pain, back pain, and pain during menstruation. Vaginal infections. Symptoms include vaginal discharge and itching. This infection attacks women of reproductive age, especially those who are married. The reaction is due to sexual intercourse. Disorders of the male reproductive system. Disorders that occur in the male reproductive organs will cause problems with sperm. This disorder causes a man to be infertile and even infertile. The sperm disorder usually occurs in sperm production. The shape of the sperm. Sperm psychology. The functions of sperm transfer sperm. Cryptorchidism, one or those that slide in the scrotum. Hypospadias, male sperm urn out at the bottom. Usually when urinating, the follow is not hive. Pseudohermaphrodite, double-sex organs, male and female, but not perfect. Vagina is not perfect, does not have a vaginal opening, for example, or does not have a vagina. Micropenis, small undeveloped penis. Hypogonadism is a decrease in testicular function caused by impaired hormone interchange has androgen and estrogen hormones. These disorders use invalid impostone and the absence of male characteristics. Treatment can be done with hormone therapy. Next, cryptorchidism. It is the failure of one or both testes to descend from the abdominal cavity into the scrotum in infancy. The treatment can be done by giving the hormone human chronic gonadotropin to stimulate testosterone. Urethritis, inflammation of the urethra with symptoms of itching of the penis and frequent urination. The cause in chlamydia, trichomonas, Eupreplasma, Uricum, or the herpes virus. Prostatitis. It is an inflammation of the prostate. The cause in a hernias called bacteria or not bacteria. Epididymitis. It is a common infection of the male reproductive tract. The causes are E. coli and chlamydia.